How is up, life insurers? It's me, Aka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aka's Life Venture. It's time of luxury. Today, it's a wonderful day. I'm receiving a package in the evening, and it contains a Tissot watch amounting to 57,000 in the market. It's although a second-hand watch, and I'm not the owner of it. I'm providing it for somebody who is like my brother, but I have the privilege of spending some time with it and the honor of showing it to you. So I'll take it to the journey. Although I'm not allowed to disclose who is the owner and the price, as he has requested me to keep it anonymous. So I'll take you through the journey. I'll show you the watch, I'll show you the mechanism of the watch and all the process till it's going to get back to the owner. So come with me and let's see the journey. नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार। जिंदगी न मिलेगी बार बार, so go for the best मेरे यार. Work hard, wait and don't compromise for luxurious life venture. So guys, the time is, what's the time?
It's 8:49 p.m.
Friday the 18th September 2020. So I have received the parcel which I was talking about. So I'm going to open the parcel. So I'll do this unboxing for you guys, and also so that as it's not a surprise to anybody what's inside the parcel, we all know, but as I have not seen what's inside the parcel, so still it's a surprise. You have heard from the title what's going to be inside the parcel. So let's do the unboxing. So it's tightly packed, getting a bit hard to be unboxed. So package is almost open now. So I'll open this sellotape also now. Let's do it this way. Okay. So much of packaging is done out here.
कैसे चाहिए। So here is the package and here is the watch. So tomorrow I'll go and take it and make check of it. पीछे वीडियो में देखा ही था कि कैसे इसने बहुत दूर लगभग 12 किलोमीटर में भी सही तरीके से कैप्चर किया। Good morning, life insurers. Time is about 8 a.m. and I have just woken up. So I'll get freshed up. Then I have to go to check the authenticity of this watch. So I'll get freshened up after some time. I'll go. Not so early in the morning. Shops won't be open. Around 11, 12 I'll go at that time. So I've just woken up. The time is 8 a.m. I'll meet you after getting ready. Peace out.
You can look at the weather. It's been such a beautiful day, full of sunshine. After lots of time, we are seeing sunshine out here. As I told, now I've got ready and I'm going to the shop. On yesterday, when I was unboxing the watch, you could see that there was some torn in the cover due to the sellotapes which were wrapped around the cover. So I've made amends with the cover. I've tried to repair those things. So I'll reach the shop. Till then, you see the cinematic shots of the watch and the cover. So guys, I've reached my trusted shop. As you know him from my previous videos and all. So I'll show him this watch as to see if the watch is authentic or not. So you can see I'm giving him this watch to check the authenticity. So Altabaya, is the watch original? Original. You can tell by looking at the watches itself. So kindly please open the watch and I'll show you all guys the machines inside this watch. Okay. So let him open the watch, then I'll show you the machine inside the watch. So I'll show you the inside part of this watch.
खुला पड़े तो थोड़ा पैसे बन सकता हूँ जगह पैसे बन सकता हूँ कितने ये तो फिर ना क्या तकलीफ अब देखें
Life insurers, I have reached towards my house. I have handed over the watch to my brother. The deal was successful. I requested him to come into my blogs, but he still wanted to remain anonymous, and he also did not wanted me to disclose the price of the watch. I wish he had spoken something about the watch and also about the process of transaction, how he liked the transaction with me. But it's okay. I respect his privacy and I honor his decision. I hope you have liked the watch and you can see the mechanism of the original Tissot watch. So I request you all to kindly give me a like for the efforts and comment if you want to comment something about the watch. And those who have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to Akash Life Insurance so that our family increases and I can get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.